Here I am to review and compare the 13-20-45 Cardon Master Cylinder. Okay, I bought this one from Amazon.com, but it is from Cardon.com, made in China. As you can see the number over there, it is 13-20-45, and the other number over here, hope you can see it. That way you can see it yourself. This is what comes in the box. Bag of an installation kit over here, to the clear tube, and then to the adapter, smaller here in the end and then bigger right here, and that way you can screw on different size whatever you put on. It's just for the installation thing, so I believe that's a plus. And a useless instruction. To me it's useless because it don't have drawing, or if you can read good, I mean you can understand, but someone like me, this is be useless. Now here's the important part. This is the master cylinder itself. It looks very different from my old one. That's the reason I'm making this video, because I am supposed to install this one on my 84 Nissan 720D. It's supposed to have another place over here to put down the sensor. That way when you load on the fluid, will light up on your dash. So as of right now, I don't know yet if this will fit on my measuring between the holes to mount. It is 13, hope you can see it, 13-22. Okay, before you get mad at me, I am using millimeter, not inches. So as of right now, this is over here 98.86, and then the top one over here, it is 94.70, like that. And between these over here like that, it is hope you can see it, how to see it, it is 176.85. and next I'm gonna measure that one over here. It is 90 millimeter and 0.98. Okay, that's enough for reviewing. Now let's go get the old one out and then compare it and install it over there. Amazon says this will fit my 84 Nissan 720, but that is wrong. It's not true. Man, it's too cold out here. I have to have my coffee. So this is how my old one look like. The filler cap and the sensor right there. Old one's out. It looks really bad. I may have to change the whole thing out here if it doesn't work. So now let's compare it. Let's start with the old one. You see the old one right there. There's a screw in here there, and there's the other fluid pipe over there, and then here's the other end over here. It looks really bad right there, as you can see. And then look on the other side as well. This is this side over here, which everything's over there. That's good, and it looks good. Let's tune it over so that the old one, it's nothing on this side, and the new one, same thing, except on the old one it says 15-16 Nissan, and the new one is nothing. But it says over here on the outside, it says 15-16, so that means it's the same. Now let's start with the plastic of the reservoir. There's a screw over there, and there's a filler cap, and there is a sensor, pressure sensor right there. Supposed to go in there like that. And the new one, this is the big difference. Filler cap, that looks good. It don't say Nissan on it or nothing. And the plastic, there's a mark over here. It's like you can cut this one off and then fit this sensor in there, but it doesn't gonna work. And the bottom there's a screw over there, so most likely I can use my old plastic over there. See the difference on the top right there? You can really put this one in there, and this over here it is flat. It's nothing. I mean, maybe you can cut that one off and make something up. That's the only way I can think of. So I think this is, for being $90, it is not worth it. So I hope this helps someone out there. As I needed help, I wanted to watch a video on YouTube, but I couldn't find one that it will show exactly what is this. But now I'm making one. Hope it will help somebody out there. Review and compare. It's complete. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you some tips just in case you want to see that. I took the old one from this one by using this pry bar, and it's very paining about, and it was hard, and I made some scratch on the old one, and also I made some damage on the old seal over here, but it don't matter, it's trash, but it's just to help you out there. So I took this new one out of the cylinder right there. As you can see, the old one's already here on here. It's good to go. The easier way to take this one off is to use the ball joint remover from Harbor Freight. This piece over here, it just slide it in there and then pry it up. Very easy. Because this plastic, see, it goes in there all the way in, but not the little pry bar. See over here, it goes in there. So that's how I took the new one from the new one. But the old one, it really didn't matter, but I just kind of worry about this one, but now it's on here. All right, let's install the new ones. Okay, I'm back 2 days later, and it's not leaking. It looks very good right here. As you can see, nothing over there. Same thing over here. At the first it was leaking out here. It's because it was loose over here, but now it's looking good. Sensor on, or level indicator, whatever you call it. So here's some more tips. Before you put this on here, put them in first. That way it'd be easier, because I did mine the first time, and then all this fluid pipe or tube, it just doesn't go straight in there. It's hard. And another tip, I would never buy this one again. If I'm gonna buy it, I just gonna buy this metal, because I can use this one again. I guess we're done for today. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, whatever you wanna do. That's the only way you can help me out.